Hola. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
How are you? Estoy bien. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
¿Y usted? And you?
And you? No estoy bien. I'm not well.
I'm not well. Buenos días. Good morning.
Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good night.
Good night.
Adiós. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name?
What's your name?
Me llamo. My name is.
My name is.
Disculpe. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Lo siento. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
A la derecha. To the right.
To the right.
A la izquierda. To the left.
To the left.
Siga derecho. Go straight.
Go straight.
Gracias. Thank you.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. De nada. You're welcome.
You're welcome. No hay problema. No problem.
No problem.
Salud. Bless you.
Bless you.
Tengo hambre. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Tengo sed. I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Que tenga un buen día. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. ¿Dónde está la entrada? Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? ¿Dónde está la salida? Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Señor, sir, sir. Señora, ma'am, ma'am. ¿Dónde están los taxis? Where are the taxis? Where are the taxis? A esta dirección, por favor. To this address, please. To this address, please. Al aeropuerto, por favor. To the airport, please. To the airport, please. Pare aquí. Stop here. Stop here. Aquí está bien. Here's fine. Here's fine. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much? How much? Por favor. Please. Please. ¿Entiendes? Do you understand? Do you understand? Entiendo. I understand. I understand. No entiendo. I don't understand. I don't understand.